just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm whispering right now because I don't want anybody to hear me. But me and Eric came up with the idea to make a challenge to do the husband does the girlfriend wife makeup. So he's gonna do my makeup. While he's doing my makeup, I'm gonna prank him. I got these little blood capsules at Spirit, at the Halloween store, and they're like blood capsules that I could like pop in my mouth. So while he's doing my makeup, I'll pop a few in my mouth, probably like 2, I don't know yet. And throughout the whole makeup thing, I'm gonna try to just like cough throughout the makeup, act like I'm sick, and then eventually cough up blood, see how he reacts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing the husband does my makeup challenge.
So I'm about to do her makeup. Never done it before, but I mean,
he used to draw, so I mean, you better do my makeup good.
But if this is everything you need to do makeup to make yourself look pretty, then
this is all I have too. I haven't bought any makeup in a while, so this is all he got to work with since you haven't bought me any makeup, any new makeup.
Okay. So we're gonna use what we have right here. And about the $100 giveaway, I know it's been already what, like 2 months?
2 months.
About like 2 months since we said it. You know, don't think that we have forgot about it. Just go ahead and comment, and the people that comment, we're gonna choose out of them, because I mean, you know,
that's gonna be your entry.
Yeah, because we don't know who has subscribed. As long as you comment below, we're gonna pick out the names from there, and then we'll make a video of the winner for the $100 giveaway. And for the people that have been patient, because we haven't did a video lately because of work and all that, you know, and we're gonna start doing them now. My schedule is rough, so you know, that's why we haven't uploaded in a while. But you know, thanks for the people that have not unsubscribed and are still part of our channel.
Let's get started.
So what are you first?
Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you what to use and what's what. You just gotta dig in there, and you can just make it up as you go.
Just tell me like, oh, you're gonna have to apply this, and I'd be like, okay, well,
no, you just gotta do it. I can't tell him what it is. That's the rules.
Well, how am I supposed to know what is what?
You've seen me do my makeup a couple times.
Yeah, but I don't pay attention what it is. I mean, see, I don't even know what this is.
Well, what do you think?
It just say Sephora.
Does it?
Yeah, see?
I got that as a gift.
Well, at least give me a point of where, you know, what to start first. Just be like, use that first. You know, these are what you use
Okay, so
first.
Foundation goes first.
Okay, foundation. Does it say
Well,
foundation?
I do my foundation first. Okay. I already have moisturizer. I put some lotion on my face.
So I don't need to do it?
You don't need to do that part. Just start with foundation.
Well, which
You can look in there.
Does it say foundation? Or what? Is it like this?
I can't tell you.
Well, I mean, how am I supposed to know what goes where? This shit look fucking crusty. Look.
Crusty? Does that look crusty?
At least tell me, does it say?
Oh my god, okay, let me see. So first, foundation. Right here.
Oh, so it's a liquid.
Yes.
You ain't even got none.
Here, unscrew it. See, you haven't bought me any.
So what do I do with that? Put it in your face?
Yeah. On your hand?
I don't know, but what do you use?
I use a beauty blender. This. but it's not wet.
So you gotta wet it?
Yeah, you gotta wet it.
Ah, man. Let me go wet that real quick. Alright, now I got it wet. Well, I got this wet.
See, that's how low I am on foundation. He doesn't buy me any. Okay, just use this.
Do I need gloves?
Nope.
Just put it on your face?
Yep.
Around your whole face? Why are you spitting on me?
Go. What did you do?
No. You went on your nose?
Yes. Yes. You gotta figure it out.
It's now doing like your eyebrows and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
At least take them out for me. That's the only one?
Yeah, I use some other stuff, but I'm just gonna give you the basics since you're over here crying for stuff.
Anastasia, that's what this is. What do you do with this?
You gotta use a brush.
A small one?
Show them what kind of brush you were trying to use on my eyebrows.
Well, I mean, you don't need a thick one. Look, is this, hold on, let me show it to you guys. Is this card right here?
Oh, a beauty guru.
Huh?
You're a whole beauty guru.
So what, you need like a big one? Like this?
It's for my eyebrows. You're doing my eyebrows.
So you need something small then, like this.
Do whatever you want. You're using too much, but go ahead.
It matches though, it's good.
And that's on purpose, huh? You're enjoying this?
No, I'm trying to do it hella, you know I shake. Could I take a little bit out?
Not with your hand.
What do you do? I'll just take it out?
You're supposed to brush my eyebrows with this.
I'm talking about to remove, like take something that I messed up on now.
Why are you laughing?
You look like you had my eyebrows. What does this do? Goes on your eyebrow?
Yeah, you have to conceal where you messed up. Now you gotta blend it with the brush.
When I'm done, if you guys want your makeup done, shoot me a DM.
No, do not shoot him in the DM.
She'll hit me if you do that.
Eyeshadow next. Something neutral, please. Like something like normal. Don't use like funky colors. and stuff
Eyeshadow will
like
be these now, huh?
that. Yeah. What brand is that?
Anastasia.
The color that you're using.
Oh. Golden ochre. How do you pronounce it?
I don't know. Dust it off a little. That's too much. You gotta like
how do you
tap
dust
it.
it? Oh.
You like tap it. Just tap it. Not like that. You just go like. See? Look.
There you go. What if it gets in your eyelashes?
That's fine.
Love letter. Same thing, tap it?
Yes. What do you guys think?
Doing a really good job. Okay, now what's next?
I don't know. Does it look like I need eyeliner or no?
I just did the eyeliner, no? Oh, right
No,
here.
you did eyeshadow. Yeah.
Yeah. I
Yeah?
put a little bit.
You think I need it?
Yeah.
Okay. Eyeliner would be this one.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
to the other side. What's
How's
next?
it look?
Even too.
Yeah? Dang!
Even.
Concealer under my eyes.
So which
Guys,
one's
I've been
that
having like a bad cough for like the last couple days.
one?
Huh?
Which one's that? Yeah.
Last time I woke up and I had a big bruise in my stomach. I don't know what's all that about. Concealer, what do you use for my eyebrows?
Oh.
Remember?
This one. What do I gotta do with this now?
And my under eyes.
Oh, you have to put it on here too?
Yeah. I do like a triangle, like a small triangle.
Going down like.
Yeah.
And what do I do with that? Just keep rubbing it?
Well, you gotta blend it with a sponge.
Oh, you do the other side.
You gotta go with the sponge again.
Okay.
Yeah. Like wet it and then like go like this to it. That way it gets big. Cause it's not big.
Alright.
My stomach's been hurting and my stomach hurts right now.
So I just blended it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Elsie, give my phone. Elsie, bring my phone. Hurry up.
No, don't call. It's Brink. I got you. I got you.
You probably knew. You guys probably knew, huh?
No,
Like, what the hell?
no, we didn't know.
Oh, that's nasty.
We didn't know. I
Oh,
was
shaking.
I was making a TikTok.
You were gonna call 911.
Well, yeah, I thought you were gonna tell me over here. Like, this is like bright red. Like, it does look like it too.
We were in it. We were not in it. I was making a TikTok. I was on TikTok.
You got scared?
Oh, yeah, I was like, what the hell?
I got you, baby. Payback. And we got all dirty.
It's my turn.
We got him.
Alright.
Bye bye. No more. It's
I
fine.
hope when your mama sees this, she gets you in trouble.
Why? No, she got me in trouble. It's funny.
Cause you can't be playing like that. That's like,
That's what? It's a prank. It's a Halloween prank.
It was.
This was a Halloween prank.
It was.
Yeah, for your dad.
Oh,
You got scared?
Yeah.
You got scared?
so it was not a challenge. It's more of a prank thing.
And
No, it's a challenge with a prank in it.
I should have just threw you off the chair.
Why? You got scared? Why were you gonna throw me?
Cause I mean,
It's nasty.
Bye. Supposed to be nice.
Did you call 911? Did you press it? Did you actually press it?
well, I was about to. I don't know.
Did I
maybe
get you
did.
scared?
A little bit. Oh, I like to kiss you.
Why?
How did you get for doing that?
I thought you were
I know
gonna
that.
save me or like carry me to a car or something. You just looked at me.
Well, I'm all
Because
scared when
I-
I'm gonna move you.
Yeah, look at that.
Other than that, I guess this challenge is over. I mean,
Oh, you gotta finish
no,
my
it was
makeup.
more of a prank.
I can
No.
finish it. I
That's
can
what
finish
you're
your
saying. It's
makeup.
more of a prank.
Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this prank I did on Eric. This little Halloween prank, the little blood for Halloween. You guys seen his reaction. He didn't really care too much.
That's like shocking. I don't even know what I would do. I mean, I'm over here things stiff and shaky, and I'm like, what the hell's going on?
Oh,
But no. But anyways, if you're coming across this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Like I said, if you guys look at when we first started the video about the $100 giveaway, go ahead and comment. All the people that comment, you know, we'll put them like in a list, a little like name. We'll write down the names on a piece of paper, and on our next video or something, we'll do it, you know, on camera, and you know, we'll choose the winner for the $100 giveaway. But yeah, I mean,
he didn't want to finish my makeup either, so that's why we're cutting the video here.
because it's more like a prank. It wasn't even a challenge.
No, well, it was a challenge with a prank in it, but he didn't want to finish it.
Yeah, because it was more of a prank. That's why. So I'm gonna get it back. Stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna get it back. Watch.
No, this is it. You got me, I got you back. We're even.
No, I'm gonna continue. All right, see you guys.
All right, bye.